Then Dad's here too.
Oh,
Well,
fuck me.
Turn it up.
Oh, God.
My bomb is very powerful right now. It's even scaring me.
I heard. You know what I heard? My mom is so powerful right now. It's scary.
Yeah, my mom is so powerful. Don't mess with her. She's a strong, independent woman. Oh! What the hell?
You can't trap me.
We're just here breaking all the boxes. Oh crap, oh crap, oh crap, oh crap. I survived
How
that.
did it not get you?
How?
Wizard.
The real question is, how did you escape that arrow?
Holy fuck. I don't know. Oh my god.
Oh, okay, okay. Not okay. Not okay.
Come over here, here you go. Eat shit.
No. I refuse. Ouch.
Bye, lady.
Okay, bye. I love you even more.
Aw, bye.
My love for
Oh,
words.
you know what I think
Like
it
a
is?
Yo, thousand suns. Yes.
I just realized there's something I did not download, and you know what that is?
What?
The stupid Counter Strike thing.
Ah.
I thought so.
Yeah.
Probably not. I can only say so many things.
About watermelons.
About watermelons, yeah. I mean, there's... Well, are they fruit?
Yes.
Okay. They're ovally fruit. Yes.
Oh, with
Oh, jeez.
oh, it's on.
It's
And I
like
flew out.
Oh, fuck!
Oh, jeez. Revenge! Death near my body.
I won! Hooray!
Ice cream? Where's my ice cream? Yeah, ice cream. Okay, where's my ice cream? Seriously.
Whoa, the game started and I'm just all blank and just... Thank you! Thank... No, no, no!
You guys fighting it out already?
Oh
Don't
well.
you guys just love each other?
Oh yeah. Yeah.
I can feel the love.
Cause love is just so far away. Oh, what can we say
About love.
about love? Oh, love. It's got 4 letters.
Oh my
2 of them are
god.
vowels. 2 of them are...
Really? What?
Excuses,
Like-
excuses.
Static.
Excuse
Static.
me.
This is...
Yeah, it's just excuses, bad. I'm totally kidding. We love you.
So much that we're just accusing you.
Oh man, I just opened up the view.
There
Well,
are no
that was an
boundaries.
open door, right? Yeah.
Yeah, I'm pretty sure though. Looking at the way the game is going, I know who's gonna win.
What? Something
What,
just
what?
kill yourselves.
No.
No. May I remind you?
It's all just an accident. We don't purposely kill ourselves.
Are you sure? Okay. How much for
Well,
us to
I don't know about Arrow, but
Arrow?
Hey.
Do you have some issues you need resolved? I'm kidding. Oh man.
Bye, Jenny.
Why?
What? Why is everyone going? Are we not entertaining them enough?
We're not
I
cool
feel-
enough for them.
I guess.
Not a
Oh
boss.
shit!
Oh my god, you
Whoa.
just barely dodged that. What the hell?
Yeah, I did.
Uh,
Crap, and I killed myself by accident.
Oh, shoot.
Well, the winner is Arrow.
Wow.
And next. Oh wow!
Oh.
Mine! No! No!
No, I didn't do anything.
It's
I
good. Your
did
fault.
nothing.
It's
You saw nothing.
It's all your fault.
It's not my fault. I didn't
All
do
your
it.
fault.
I
It's
did
all
it.
your
Thanks.
fault.
Where's your proof? Huh? I'm kidding.
The proof is in the footage, my dear.
oh, not to rain your parade, but I didn't see it.
Exactly.
The proof is in my footage.
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
Uh-oh.
Oh, what the hell?
Oh.
That-
Oh.
Yeah.
Oh.
I was stuck, but I made it.
Oh,
That
man.
was great. That was great.
Oh, hello.
Oh, that was fantastic.
Hello.
Oh, I just saw your body fly.
Why did you just... Why did you move?
Whoa, I died already?
Totally not my fault.
No,
10
my
out of
game.
10.
Oh, the thing.
Arrow's
The
fault.
game's lagging. My game is lagging. So then, by the time the round is already started, I'm still on that score screen.
Ah.
And so that's why. Yeah,
Arrow.
What?
that's what's happening.
Why'd you do that?
Why are you pulling this shit off?
Sorry.
Uh,
Cause
That's
friendship.
what I can close. I don't know
I'm
what
not taking the rap for you. I ain't going to jail.
What?
It's all your fault.